If someone offered you a button that might make you $10,000 by Friday, or quietly steal 10 years from your freedom, would you press it? Be honest. The itch for quick money is strong. It promises relief, status, and a story to tell by Monday. But here's the punchline. Chasing quick money doesn't just risk a bad week. It rewires your brain, wrecks your system, and silently delays financial independence by years. You don't need more hustle. You need a different calendar. Wealth arrives on compounding time. Quick money runs on headline time. Confuse the two, and you'll feel busy for a decade, with not much to show for it. The scene. Markets are noisy. Friends flex wins. Feeds scream urgency. A timer blinks 3 minutes and 59 seconds on a one-time opportunity. Your nervous system leans forward. This is it, finally. That move, made at a high heart rate, is the toll booth where most long-term wealth gets handed to someone else. This episode isn't here to shame impulse. It's here to neutralize it. We're going to fuse mindset and money, the psychology that keeps you from pressing the red button, and the concrete system that makes you wealthy by default. The inner game, quick money's mental traps. Trap 1, the dopamine loop. Variable rewards, sometimes you win, often you don't, are addictive. You remember the screenshot. You forget the slippage, stress, and fees. Trap 2, scarcity theater. Timers, limited spots, insider access. They hack your FOMO. Your brain mistakes fake urgency for real opportunity. Trap 3, social mirroring. Everyone seems to be making money. You feel smaller by comparison. You're not buying an asset. You're buying relief from feeling behind. Time to invert. Ask, what behaviors guarantee I stay broke? Finance the look. Chase tips you don't understand. Add new monthly bills for short-term highs. Touch your compounding when it gets boring. Avoid those, and you win by subtraction. It's remarkable how much long-term advantage people like us have gotten by trying to be consistently not stupid. Charlie Munger. Let that be your anchor. You don't need to be brilliant, just boring, on purpose. The money system, the PACE protocol. To break the cycle, we install PACE. Pause. Assess. Channel. Execute. Pause. Add a 48-hour lock on any non-essential trade or buy. No exceptions. If it's truly great, it will still be great in 2 days. Assess. Ask 3 questions. What's the engine? How does $1 become $2 here? What protects that engine? Why can't anyone copy it? What proves me wrong? What fact would kill this idea? If you can't answer, you're not investing. You're gambling. Channel. All money flows through a default system that prioritizes ownership over optics. We'll build that system next. Execute. Act only by written rules. No vibes. No moods. Just pre-committed behavior. Build your conveyor, a system that wins by default. Name it. The long game conveyor. When it has a name, it feels real. Step 1, automatic first dollars. Pay yourself first. 10 to 15% of income automatically goes to ownership the morning your paycheck lands. At a 1 to 2% annual increase every January. Route raises here before your lifestyle hears about them. Step 2, the 3-box allocation. Foundation, focus, frontier. Foundation is the core. A globally diversified, low-fee index fund. Dividends reinvest by default. This is the wealth engine. If volatility bothers you, add a stabilizer slice of bonds matched to your temperament. Focus is 10 to 30% in businesses you truly understand. Ones that convert sales into durable cash, with clear moats and rational management. Write a 2-minute brief for each. If you can't explain it to a sharp teenager, go back to Foundation. Frontier is your sandbox. It scratches the quick win itch safely. Keep it small. Label it clearly. It protects your plan from your impulses. Step 3, review cadence. 2 dates per year, mid-year and year-end. You rebalance. Update briefs. Harvest smartly if needed. Outside those dates, hold or add per plan. No edits on random Tuesdays. Step 4. Guardrails for compounding. 48-hour lock for off-plan moves. No new monthly bills unless one gets canceled. Sell only when business facts break, never on fear. Trim if a position grows beyond your sleep band. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Warren Buffett. Some outcomes require time, not intensity. Wealth is one of them. Quick money tries to break biology. Your conveyor respects it. A story, Hector versus Alina. Both 28. Same salary. Same city. Hector goes all in on 2025. Free trading apps. 5 gurus. He calls it conviction. Alina builds her conveyor. 12% auto-invested on payday. Split 80/15/5 across foundation, focus, frontier. She writes briefs. Adds a 48-hour lock. Deletes saved cards. By June, Hector has some wins. And more screen time. He doubles down after a lucky trade. A correction hits. Hector panics, sells to protect gains. He misses the rebound. Alina? She opens her brief. Confirms the engine still runs. Adds 1 unit. Closes the tab. 5 years later. Hector owns screenshots. Alina owns options. The shadow cost of quick money. That $300 a month you funnel into impulse trades and lifestyle upgrades. Over 2 decades, invested at a modest return. It grows into 6 figures. That's not a scare tactic. It's X-ray vision. Another story, Zoe versus Trent. Both get a $2,000 windfall. Trent follows a viral post. YOLO's into a trade. It spikes, then tanks. He exits with a bruise and a story. Zoe runs PAC. Pause. Assess. Channel. 60% to foundation, 30% to a course, 10% to frontier. Execute. 12 months later. Zoe has a raise. Her foundation has grown. Her itch got scratched without touching her plan. Quick excuse busters. I'll just get in and out fast. Markets move faster than thumbs. If your idea can't survive a 48-hour lock, it's not a plan. It's now or never. If urgency is the pitch, the timer is the product. Everyone's making money. You're seeing winners post. Losers go quiet. Write your why before you buy. Every time. I can't miss another one. Your frontier sleeve is where can't miss belongs. Cap it. Contain it. Move on. Infrastructure that protects you. Remove trading apps from your home screen. Delete stored cards from shopping sites. Require typed passwords for cells. All non-essential purchases behind a 48-hour lock. Set 2 yearly strategy review dates. Keep an opportunity file. 5 ideas you deeply understand, waiting for fair prices. Protect your real life. 2. Keep an emergency buffer. Cap fixed costs. Insure big risks. Build a second earner. Money outside the market protects money inside the market. 1-page drill. 7 days to install the system. Day 1. Write your long game conveyor. Contribution percent, 3-box split, rules, review dates. Day 2. Turn on auto contributions. Add a January nudge to increase it. Day 3. Build or top up your buffer. Sell 1 unused item. Redirect 1 bill. Day 4. Write 2-minute briefs for focus holdings. Day 5. Start your opportunity file. Day 6. Add friction, delete apps, passwords, cards. Day 7. Clean inputs, mute 3 hype accounts. Follow 3 calm builders. 2 final anchors. It's remarkable how much long-term advantage people like us have gotten by trying to be consistently not stupid. Charlie Munger. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Warren Buffett. Tape those near your login screen. Final picture. 2 roads. The fast lane, loud, chaotic, flashing signs. It's full of wrecks. The compounding lane, quiet, steady, no drama. But 10 miles in, it passes everyone else. Play long-term games with long-term people. Naval Ravikant. Quick money is a short-term game with strangers. Long-term wealth is a long-term game with your future self. 60-second action creed. I play on compounding time, not headline time. I run a conveyor. Pay myself first. On the market, add only what I truly understand. I sell on broken facts, not broken moods. I keep fixed costs flat, buffers full, and my frontier sleeve capped. I add friction to impulse and ease to the right moves. I stack small, smart actions until freedom is inevitable. If this retired your reflex to chase and install the system that builds quietly, subscribe. We blend mindset with mechanics, quotes with systems, and compounding with calm. No magic, just method. Taken seriously enough to eventually look like magic.